Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of this Italian jewelry and watch company. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting luxury brand names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In Italy, this is said as Buccellati. Yes, this is a ch sound. Buccellati. Buccellati, jewelry, company and brand, Buccellati. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting luxury brand names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Grazie mille. Ciao ciao.